Hi again. In the previous modules, we performed competitive research to beat our competition online. Then we performed keyword research to create a pool of keywords to use in a future PPC campaign. We are nearly done launching our first campaign, but so far we've neglected one of the most important and intuitive steps: writing ads that no one could resist clicking.
Let's get some ideas for targeting certain keywords with our ads. We will use the keywords ad history report, which will show you which ads were triggered by a particular search query over the last 12 months. This assists you in creating your own ads following the best examples. Let us analyze the keyword pizza near me.
You have seen the ad history report in our discussion of domain analytics. Now let's explore the keyword ad history report. Type in one of your main keywords in the search box at the top of the interface, and check out the ad history report in the keyword analytics section. Review this table to discover who else has been targeting this keyword over the past year, and how they're managing their ads by trial and error. The table view is a convenient way to see exactly your competitors' rank each month for the keywords they are interested in, and when they surpassed each other and how they did it. Focus on ads with higher rankings, since they are appreciated by Google the most. Also, pay attention to Google Analytics metrics, such as amount of ads traffic price, and the total number of ads a certain domain earned. Click the position of the ad you're interested in, and you will see the appropriate ad copy. Now you can analyze its appearance, contents, and the landing page it is pointing to. To summarize, in this lesson, we nurtured our imagination by scrutinizing our competitors' ads with the ad history report.
Check it out and try entering different keywords to get ideas for ads from the best performing domains.